Today we are in the Villages for a restaurant review. In fact, it's a brand new restaurant that actually is open today for the first time.
Grand opening.
Grand opening. That is Tap House Social. It is in the former Red Lobster building. We actually did a video at Red Lobster in this exact building, and we did enjoy the Red Lobster when we went here. We are here, like we said, on opening night to see what it's like. It's always good when there is a new restaurant in town that we can try. By the looks of it, it looks like it's a pretty busy time right now. It's currently October 1st, Tuesday, 2024. And meeting my parents here, and they are already inside and got us a seat, which is good. So we won't have to wait. Tap House Social is owned by
The FMK Group.
FMK Group. They own several restaurants here in the Villages, and they also have an app that we have right here. It's a loyalty app, and you can earn points and different things like that. What are some of the ones they own?
I cannot read that.
Let's see. Harvest, Coastal Del Mar, Bella Vita, Chop House, Bluefin, just to name a few. They own some others, but you can always go on that app or the website and find out which other ones they own. Tap House Social being their newest one. So we're going to go in and show you what it's like. Let's go check it out. Here we have it, Tap House Social. Craft beer, food, sports. Tap House Social, welcome. Grand opening. I don't see any hours on the door yet. Hello. This is what it looks like. It's a booming place right now. We gotta find family here. Not sure where they're at. Lots of TVs. Does not look like a Red Lobster on the inside here. Definitely not. Look at all the TVs they have in here. And restrooms are back in that far corner over there. More TVs. These booths do resemble still the old Red Lobster. I don't really remember where we sat. We'd have to look back at the old video. That'd be funny if we sat right here. It does look really nice in here with the floor and everything. It'd be funny if this is where we sat for Red Lobster. Good beer, good people, good times. They also are not accepting reservations right now, only for large parties. Here's a look at the menu. Wings. I have no idea what to get here. Chicken dippers. There's their website, there's the address, phone number. Appetizers. Queso skillet. And that means social faves. Then over here, just gonna keep going down the list. Flatbreads. And then the back of the menu, we've got burgers. Oh, look at that smash burger. Timber, there's a sourdough smash. There's also the goat. Handhelds, hot dog. Down here, seafood trio. And some desserts and sides. Strawberry shortcake, that's a favorite. We do have social hour every day, 4 to 6:30. So I guess my dad ordered a pitcher here. And then down here, shareable apps. Over on this side, we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday daily specials. Here's desserts. I already showed desserts. Mocktails and shakes. Cocktails. Bottle and can collection. Wine list. Draft picks. All day bar pricing. And then the last page here. And all the servers are hustling tonight. That's what you like to see on opening night. There's a jersey over there. Trevor Lawrence jersey. The salads are huge. That's what we heard. Look at this taco, a happy union between a pita and a taco. That's interesting. I might try something like that. I think I will try the classic here. The classic taco. I switched over with the hot honey shrimp. Here's a look at the pitcher margarita. As far as the size goes, there's probably maybe like 3-ish total drinks for the pitcher. So you're talking maybe like $5 a drink for that. As far as the restrooms go, there is a TV in the men's restroom. I thought that was neat. Half and half tea. And they did say they can do the Arnold Palmer as well. Margarita. Not bad at all, either of them, honestly.
Ladies first. Medium breast. And I did actually get those onions out of it.
Oh, awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chicken dippers with honey mustard.
Thank you.
No problem. I didn't forget about it.
Sweet potato fries, nice.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Nice. Here is a look at the seafood trio. Look at that. Calamari there as well. You got the
Some kind of a
fajita pita.
pita press.
Look at that.
And that's Southwest sauce. Like, is it Thousand Island?
Thousand Island? I don't know.
Queso sauce.
Queso sauce? Wow. Here are the sweet potato fries, and you got the chicken dippers with honey mustard, which those look amazing. And then I ended up, like I said, switching to the shrimp hot honey one with fries. Look at that. Let's check the fries. Not super crispy, but I hope they're good. Here we go. I ended up going with the grilled shrimp, and that's good. I will say I didn't know it'd just be one pita taco, but with all the fries, I think that should be plenty. What do you think?
I know they're chicken tenders, but they're very good.
How's the honey mustard?
Good.
Good?
And the fries are good too.
There are so many managers, assistant managers, I don't know what all they are, but just managers walking around here. Here's chicken with that fajita sauce. That is really good. Yeah, that's good sauce there. Wow. Here's a chicken dipper. Those are very good chicken dippers. Coleslaw has pineapple in it, right? I think he said. I thought he said. They're supposed to have pineapple fry. Good fry. Sweet potato fry. Sweet potato fries are good. I wish they had some sort of dipping sauce for the sweet potato fries, like the marshmallow or whatever, like marshmallow dip and calamari. Look at the size of the calamari. Oh, the sauce is spicy. Is that cocktail sauce?
That's cocktail sauce.
Yeah, this is really good. It's a slightly spicy since you have that like hot honey, but it's fresh tasting and really good. I have to say, pretty good portion sizes here. I don't know if it's enough to share really, but for one individual entree, it's good. And that hot honey is hot, spicy. Oh, we're full. Might get some dessert though. We'll look. Possibly strawberry shortcake. So we asked him the strawberry shortcake's actually like strawberry shortcake donuts. So we're gonna skip on that tonight. We're gonna skip dessert. Here is a look at the final bill, $90.36. Not bad considering we got the big pitcher, drinks, all entrees. Dennis was our server and he was great. So it seems like everybody's good over here. Managers are walking around. They're really trying to make the first day go great. We are getting ready to head out now. It's really cool how they, oh, there's an Evans jersey over there. It's really cool how they made it in here. Look at this bar. Then heading back outside, nice and dark. That was our trip out to the Tap House Social here in the Villages. I have to say, top notch on the customer service. Our waiter, Dennis, was very good. They had multiple managers going around and food was really good. It did take a little longer, but it's opening night, so you kind of expect that.
But not unreasonable.
Not unreasonable. And honestly, for the pricing, not bad at all. I know we're gonna have people say it's probably too expensive, but you have to realize that $90 also included like a $15 pitcher of margaritas and then 3 other additional regular drinks added to that, which can be pricey. And we all got entrees. I don't know if I would share, you could probably share the seafood trio, but everything else, I don't think I would personally share. But next time, maybe we'll try some dessert. I thought maybe it was gonna be regular strawberry shortcake. Maybe I just didn't read it right. But he said the strawberry shortcake donuts are really good. So maybe we'll try that sometime. I just wasn't really feeling it tonight. And overall, really had a good time. It's cool because trying to think back to Red Lobster, there's still little signs of Red Lobster, but they did an excellent job. They said they tore down a wall, extended the bar, and made it really a nice spot. And if you're in the area looking for a new spot, would recommend coming in. They have a lot of seating. I know somebody just walked in and they said there was no wait, so 7:48 right now. I'm sure Friday night, Saturday night might be pretty busy, but during the week you should be able to get in, I would think. I think we're gonna call it. It was good. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.